Y'all, I kind of forgot to do an intro to this video. So basically, I'm showing y'all what I'm about to do. I'm about to bleach my wig and stuff like that. And then I'm about to install it. So yeah, this video is basically me bleaching, installing, prepping a wig, 30-inch black wig. So yeah, just stay tuned for the final look, y'all. This is the intro because I forgot to record an intro. But y'all, keep watching if y'all want to watch me slay this wig, period. Let's get into it. I like that, so I gotta put the other one. Get one of these from Amazon or from Shein, wherever you want to get it from. TikTok shop. I mean, all three of them. Me too. So you can say we fucking on a deathbed. Wait, bitch, girl said she won't go back. Then that nigga home, put the juice on the do-rag. I ain't got suck, dip in the rest. I put money in your head and put money in my purse, bitch. Check, only want the blue rice, nigga, you can keep that. That nigga sticking to my pussy like he sweat. This ain't a motherfucking top block. Niggas on the cat, pussy like Wi-Fi. Nigga ain't figured out my I don't use catfish. I don't know if I'm G, you don't sound like the box like a high seat.
I got a padlock on the street, so I'm saying that. We do his last house on the beach, you have to say that. I took the cash back on the party, you don't have to say that. But I'm a hard again, shit's working, I ain't got to. Another situation.
We finna cut this motherfucking lace off. This is it. Before any type of extra melt, anything, I just cut the lace down, y'all. It's already low-key getting the scalp. We ain't finna makeup on it. But we finna use this. Where's the camera? Micellar cleansing water. We finna use this. I'm gonna because I'm out of alcohol, so we're gonna use this, which is just my makeup remover, to clean anything excess of the forehead. Makeup.
Hello? What's up? I'm in the studio. No. Yeah, no.
Even, bold, lace, hold, whatever. We're gonna put this on the lace. Put some on y'all right here. Get your comb. Dap, dap, dap. Take the hair off the comb first. Don't be like me. Take the hair off the damn comb. And the glue and all the gunk. Take it off. Take all that off. Your comb. And I let God be my witness. Just gonna get rid of like the white cast or anything like that on the wig, on the lace. I'm looking in the mirror, by the way. Y'all like, why is she looking over there? This is the mirror, and this is y'all right here. The mirror's over here. So. Okay, so now we're gonna let that dry. Let that dry, then you're gonna lay it down. Before you put the thing, you wanna lay down. I mean, before you put the band on it, you wanna let it dry so you don't stick the glue to the band instead of, you know what I mean? And then you're gonna I'm gonna wipe that off with my hand so I can put some makeup there. Get your makeup or whatever. This is what I use for my hair, foundation, concealer, whatever. That's what you're gonna get. That's what you're going to use for your lace, the color. Put a little bit right here. Get your little makeup brush. I use this one right here. I don't know what this is. It just says that number. It's from Shein. No free promo, but yeah. I mean, not Shein. I'm tripping. It's from TikTok Shop, boo. TikTok Shop. But still, no promo. So now we're going to put our makeup. And I like to rub it like going backwards like this. Then I'll just pat it down. And more. Period. So now, I'll come in one more time and then I'm gonna lay down. Ooh. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Where is the lace, boo? Where is the lace? Like, where is it? Tell me. Mix. So yeah, we finna part it now. I'm doing a middle part. So yeah. Period. Now let's just go. Perfect work. Are you a bad tink? I got 2 tinks coming through. And a little hack, if you want your wig to be flat in the back, do a T. And then it's flat. BRB. So now that we got that one out, I'm gonna plug it. Now for the side edge. Now we're gonna do this side. Got this side done. So now we're gonna cut them, hot comb, and cut. the Gorilla, what is it? Gorilla Glue Snot, whatever. This stuff gets messy, but it works really good. This is the finished product of the edges, y'all. Left side, this is the right side. Period. Now we're gonna get into the part and hot comb it, and I'm gonna straighten and curl it probably. I think I'm gonna go to the pool though, so I don't really want to do too much to it because I'm gonna get it wet anyways. But yeah. Lastly, you're going to get your concealer and you're going to apply it. I like to squeeze some out and then just dap it. A little bit and just dap it. And then you're just going to put it right here in the middle. Alright y'all, so I just recorded another video in between this one. Now I'm about to fix this light. Now I'm about to curl my hair, which I'm probably gonna do most of it off camera because I'm not the best at curling with the curling ironer. I'm still trying to learn. So right now I'm gonna put this Frizz Killer Serum on my hair. That's what it is. I'm gonna put this on it to kill any frizz or whatever the case may be. And then I'm about to curl it. I really didn't want to do too much because I think I'm going to the pool. So it was really no point to do too much to it. So I'm like, we'll just loosely curl it. I'm not even going to straighten it first. I'm just going to try to curl it without straightening it. I had saved some videos from Instagram that and TikTok that I'm about to go watch so I can see like how they curled it again. Cause it was a good video I seen this morning that I saved, so I'm about to go find that one. Because yeah, I need some help to curl this hair. I'm not the best at curling, y'all. But this is the video that I'm watching to get inspo from. So yeah, I'm gonna watch this and then I'm gonna do my curls and I'm gonna come back when I got some done. Hey, y'all, look at my little curl I just did. Like, stop playing with me. I'm gonna do the rest and see how it come out. Y'all see that? Stop playing. It's coming out good. I'll be back when I'm done with the whole head, y'all, okay? Bye. I tried to do a little layer in the front, y'all. A little layer with my curl in the front. But yeah, honestly, the hair came out cute for the most part. Can't complain. I'm tired and hungry. Y'all, I haven't perfected my curls yet, but I'm getting better because look at that curl. So yeah, we're working towards getting better at curling. Straight piece. Man, look at the curl, y'all. I'm doing that. Like, look at that curl, bro. I'm so happy. I gotta get on my tippy toes to show y'all, but look. Look. I did that. Period. I think I'm done. Everything looks It's this one in the back right here that I curled the wrong way. So y'all, this is the finished product. Let me pull it down so y'all can see the hair. This is the finished product, guys. The hair is curled. The wig is laid. Edges, wig and edges laid. And yeah, I'm ready to do something. I don't know what I'm doing yet now because my friend, she's still on her period, so she don't want to go to the pool no more. About to see what I get into, but yeah. I'm not the best at curling, y'all, so yeah, but for the most part, the hair is giving what it needs to give. I think 30 inches. Period. Now, if y'all made it this far to the video, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and tune in to the next video so you can see when I'm posting again. I have a Q&A that's posting. I don't know if the Q&A is going to be before this video or after this video. But yeah, Q&A on the way. Wig install on the way. And yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you tune into the next video. Like, comment, subscribe. And see you in the next video.